Welcome back, guys. Welcome back. Well, guys, today I'm gonna give you an update on growing turmeric, ginger, and squash in the same space. We also have comfrey, rosemary. But this is an update of growing in small space where we also have pepper, okra, rosemary. We also have different type of squash growing up there. We even have grapes growing in bucket. Yes, guys, my compost is working wonders, guys, wonders. This is an organic garden, guys, where we're just growing turmeric. The most crop we have here is turmeric, just a few ginger. So most likely after the squash and the pumpkin is gone, then we're gonna harvest the turmeric and the ginger. Right in this little spot here, we have over 20 something turmeric growing, and man, I'm telling you, they're growing wonderful. In this crop, most of them is store-bought turmeric. Yeah, most of them is store-bought, where we get them from the store and we root them, and then we bring them and we transplant them. There's another area where we have some that we grow last year and we replant them, but this is a new spot that we're growing them into, and they're doing wonderful, guys. Look down there. But that composting is doing really well for these plants. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share.